The Khasi Students Union, Ksu Nongmensong Unit, had submitted a memorandum to Power Minister Abu Taher Mondal expressing serious concern over the sharp escalation in electricity bills at the BSUP Housing Complex, Nongmensong, following the installation of smart meters. In their complaint, the union had informed the minister that residents had been facing an unprecedented increase in their monthly power expenses after prepaid smart meters were installed without any prior consultation or information being given to them. The organizing secretary of the Ksu Nongmensong Unit, Samuel Kharbani, stated that earlier households typically paid around rupees 400 to 500 monthly, which adequately met their electricity requirements. However, after the installation of the smart meters, the monthly cost had reportedly spiked to a minimum of rupees 2,500, placing a severe financial burden on the residents, most of whom belonged to the below poverty line category. Kharbani further pointed out that many families were experiencing frequent disconnections due to their inability to pay, leaving them without access to electricity. Meanwhile, Samuel Kharbani also informed that the Power Minister had assured the union of convening a meeting with relevant officials to deliberate on the issues raised by the Ksu Nongmensong Unit.
Regarding the installation of these smart meters, which is not accepted by those people living in BSUP Housing Complex, these smart meters is like pressing the poor people, which is the bill which is usually around 400 to 500. Now usually it used to come to 2,500. So we have put the question to the Power Minister regarding this, and we also want to ask the government, like, why have they installed these smart meters in those housing complexes which are for the poor? Why did the government did not start it on these Harijan colony or in these RR colony? Why are they suppressing the poor in that locality? So that's the only thing. Because this meter is like we see charges. We see so many charges in this meter. It has a 5 rupees charges of every day, and it is called a smart meter. But if we go and knock on the doors of many engineers in Lumjingshai, none of them are willing to talk to us. So they put in the smart meters, but not making people smart. So it's useless. You even need to teach people how the smart meters work. The minister said that he is going to install 2 meters so that he can balance check how's the old meters and how's the new meters going on. Like he can balance check all the old and the new. And he also said that he's going to have a review meeting tomorrow. And so we also get assurance from him that the review meeting will talk tomorrow and that most of the directors are not in Shillong. Okay. That's the only.
Responding to media queries, Power Minister A.T. Mondal had clarified that the installation of smart meters was part of a nationwide mandate by the Union Power Ministry and therefore was being implemented across Meghalaya. Regarding the grievances over billing, Mondal had assured that necessary steps were being taken to ensure correct calculations of power consumption following the installation of smart meters. Additionally, the Power Minister had informed that outstanding dues to central utilities had already been settled except for the current charges, which would be cleared as per schedule.
Actually, the Khasi Student Unions, they have come and met me, gave a representation also. Raising issues of overbilling in BSUP Housing Complex at Nongmensong. I told them that I will look into the matter, find out whatever grievances they have put forward. I will look into all those grievances.
And any time period?
No, actually my CMD and director both are out of station. They have gone to attend some meeting in Delhi. The moment they are back, we will be discussing. This week I am also going up for NERPC meeting. Northeast Regional Power Committee's meeting. So basically this week I'll be also out of the station. So next week we will try to resolve the issue.
And the accusation is that these smart meters are not being installed anywhere else except for that place?
No, the smart meter has been installed many places, not only that there it is placed. No, everywhere it will go slowly. Wherever the consumer's connection is there, everywhere will cover. We cannot cover all 6 lakhs consumers in a day or so. It will be covered phase-wise everywhere. All those things they have raised to me. I'm going to have a review on this. Let me see. Things like that. See, a smart meter is being mandated by Ministry of Power, and all the states are implementing smart meters. Accordingly, we need to also implement a smart meter. The question of overbilling will be looked into, and if needed, we can have 2 meters put side by side to see exactly how the difference is coming. So these issues will be looked into.